In the grand orchestra of your body, blood pressure plays a significant role. It's akin to the conductor, maintaining harmony and balance. Too high or too low, and the beautiful symphony of your health could fall into dissonance. But fear not, today we delve into a collection of recipes designed to keep your blood pressure in perfect pitch. Our first recipe is a heart-healthy spinach and avocado smoothie. Begin by gathering 1 ripe avocado, a cup of fresh spinach, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a cup of almond milk. The avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels in your blood, a contributing factor to high blood pressure. Start by placing the spinach and almond milk in a blender. Blend until smooth, then add the avocado and Greek yogurt. Blend again until all the ingredients are well combined. This smoothie is best served chilled, so feel free to add some ice cubes if you wish. Next up, we have a delightful quinoa salad. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, a cup of diced cucumber, a cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of diced red onion, and a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Quinoa is a super grain, known for its high protein content and its ability to help manage blood pressure. Begin by mixing the cooked quinoa, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and red onion in a bowl. Then pour the lemon juice over the salad, tossing until well mixed. This salad is perfect as a side dish or a light lunch. Our final recipe is a delicious garlic salmon. You'll need a 4-ounce salmon fillet, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Garlic has been known to lower blood pressure, and salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, mince your garlic and mix it with the olive oil. Place your salmon on a baking sheet and brush it with the garlic and olive oil mixture. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper, then bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked to your liking. Transitioning from the savory sea, let's warm up with our next recipe, a nutritious beetroot soup. For this heartwarming dish, you'll need 2 medium beetroots, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of olive oil, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Beetroot is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can help lower blood pressure and improve digestion. Let's start by peeling and chopping the beetroots and onion. In a pot, sauté the onion and garlic in olive oil until they become translucent. Add the chopped beetroots and the vegetable broth, bring to a boil, then let it simmer until the beetroots are tender. Blend the mixture until smooth and season it to your liking. This soup is perfect for a cozy dinner, offering a comforting and healthy end to your day. Moving on from our comforting beetroot soup, let's add some crunch to our meal with a healthy broccoli stir-fry. For this vibrant dish, you'll need 1 large broccoli head, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, and your choice of spices. Broccoli is a fantastic source of vitamins K and C, a good source of folate, folic acid, and provides potassium fiber. It's also known for its potential to prevent various types of cancer. To prepare, start by cutting the broccoli into florets. In a pan, sauté the garlic in olive oil until fragrant, then add the broccoli. Stir-fry until the broccoli is tender crisp, then season with your choice of spices. This stir-fry is a quick, nutritious dinner option, adding a healthy crunch to your day. Our healthy broccoli stir-fry has added a nutritious crunch to our meal, and before we dive into the sweetness of banana oat pancakes, let's refresh our palate with a refreshing watermelon salad. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of cubed watermelon, a handful of fresh mint leaves, a squeeze of lime, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Watermelon is not just refreshing, it's also a great source of hydration and packed with vitamins A and C. To prepare, start by cubing the watermelon and chopping the mint leaves. In a bowl, combine the watermelon and mint, squeeze over the lime, and gently toss. Sprinkle with feta cheese for a salty contrast to the sweet watermelon. This salad is a perfect summer treat, adding a splash of color and freshness to your healthy meal plan. From our sea voyage with the garlic salmon, let's now sail into a sweet morning with our tasty banana oat pancakes. For this recipe, you'll need 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, a half cup of oats, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Bananas are rich in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure, and oats are packed with fiber, which is great for heart health. To prepare, start by mashing the banana in a bowl. Add the eggs, oats, and cinnamon and mix until it forms a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, pour in a ladleful of batter, and cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden. Serve these pancakes with a drizzle of honey and enjoy a heart-healthy breakfast. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. To recap, it's imperative to keep your blood pressure in check for your overall health and well-being. The significance of this cannot be overstated. By introducing these mouth-watering, simple-to-prepare recipes into your meal plan, you can sort out your blood pressure and lead a healthier, more balanced life. Each recipe is brimming components known for their cardioprotective benefits. From the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats present in avocados, the protein in quinoa, to the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, all contribute to managing blood pressure effectively. So bear this in mind, your health is the sweetest symphony. Keep it harmonious with the right dietary choices and relish the enchanting rhythm of existence.